everyone, here at Mornington Park in Mornington, about an hour or so south of Melbourne. Just walking Steve, just spending an afternoon in glorious sunshine. Like this monument is to Matthew Flinders, navigator, 1774-1814, commander of the HMS Investigator, 334 tons, entered the Heads 26th of April 1802. This monument, the bequest of CP Frederick Murray Linley, was erected by the Historical Society of Victoria, 28th of April 1952. Okay, we're on Mornington Pier at the moment. Helicopter flying above. I'm not sure if you can hear it through the audio, but I was going to fly my drone here today, but since there's a lot of helicopters flying around, I think I might give it a miss. But I've got the GoPro here. We're just walking on the pier, just having a nice lazy Sunday afternoon. Got all the boats docked here, all the yachts here in Mornington, and a lot of people fish off the pier here. We've got a lot of people fishing. Come on, Steve. I've come here in the past before and I've fished for squid.